so easy, you know. Jamaica no have nothing for we, you hear? Because when we hear about all the pieces of Jamaica that the 68th anniversary plan for do, hey, as so me know say, South Florida I go turn yard. Yes, yard abroad. After all, nowhere no better than yard.
Jamaica 60, reigniting a nation for greatness.
On August 6, 1962, as the black, green, and gold was raised, we took control of the government of our beautiful island after nearly 400 years of colonial rule. Even before then, we were determined to forge our own destiny to become, in the words of our national hero, Marcus Mosiah Garvey, masters of our own destiny, masters of our own fate. For people who had recently emerged from colonialism and slavery, this was a challenging task of great responsibility. 60 years later, here we are, a global brand, acclaimed by other nations of the world for our accomplishments that have vastly outmeasured our geographical size, boasting a motto of out of many, one people.
Could you be love? Could you be love? Could you be? Hey. Don't let them change you.
Everybody wants the same thing down there. Everybody wants a happy end. They wanna see the game on Saturday. They wanna be somebody's friend.
When I tell you that times are getting critical, I don't want you to worry. No, I never want you to fret.
As part of our determination to reignite the flames of our development, I want to invite you all to share with us in consolidating the legacy we leave for our children, including generations yet unborn. In celebrating who we are at 60, we celebrate not only what we have accomplished in Jamaica, but also how we have contributed to the places where we find ourselves.
You sing one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's up dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. I pity on those whose chances grow ten up. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation.
Hold on. Wait me now. One love. Minister, your turn.
One heart, let's get together and feel alright.
Big up the minister. One love. One heart.
Let's get together and feel alright.
This is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth.
Jamaica 60, reigniting a nation